I'm still standing here. They don't see the nights I fought through fear. Every mark upon my body tells a story I survived. Not every battle I faced kept me alive inside. I stopped trying to hide what life had carved in me. These wounds became the proof of what I've been through quietly. Every fall I never showed, every pain I held alone, till the strength I carry now made me fully grown.
Scars don't lie, they tell the truth. I survived what tried to break me loose. Every line, every mark I wear means I'm still standing here.
Are what helped me stay. Not every pain is something you must erase. Some of it becomes the strength you can't replace.